clear your brain. When you are confused, life is full of challenges, and sometimes we find ourselves feeling overwhelmed and confused. Confusion can arise from many sources: too much information, stress, emotional struggles, or even simple fatigue. When our brains feel cluttered, it becomes difficult to think clearly, make decisions, or focus on important tasks. Clearing your brain when you are confused is essential for productivity, mental health, and overall well-being. Fortunately, there are effective strategies that can help you regain clarity and peace of mind. In this article, we will explore various methods to declutter your mind, improve focus, and find mental clarity. Before we dive into solutions, it's important to understand why we feel confused in the first place. Some common reasons include information overload. When we consume too much information at once, our brain struggles to process everything, leading to confusion. Stress and anxiety. Emotional stress can cloud our thinking, making it difficult to focus or make decisions. Fatigue and lack of sleep. A tired brain cannot function properly, causing forgetfulness and mental fog. Indecisiveness. When we have too many choices, it can be difficult to make a clear decision. Overthinking. Thinking too much about a problem without taking action can lead to mental exhaustion. Lack of organization. A disorganized environment or schedule can contribute to mental chaos. Take a break and breathe. One of the simplest ways to clear your mind is to step away from the situation and take a deep breath. When we are overwhelmed, our brain needs a moment to reset. Take deep breaths. Practice deep breathing exercises to calm your nervous system and reduce stress. Breathe in deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Go for a walk. A short walk in nature or even around your home can refresh your mind and help you think more clearly. Practice mindfulness. Focus on the present moment instead of worrying about the past or future. Pay attention to your surroundings, your breathing, and your emotions. Taking a break doesn't mean avoiding your problems. Instead, it allows your brain to relax and regain the ability to process information effectively. Organize your thoughts. When your brain feels cluttered, organizing your thoughts can bring clarity. Here are some ways to do that. Write things down. Journaling or writing a to-do list can help you clear your mind and prioritize tasks. Create a mind map. Drawing a mind map can help you visualize your thoughts and find connections between ideas. Make a decision matrix. If you are struggling to make a decision, list the pros and cons of each choice to gain a clearer perspective. By organizing your thoughts, you can break down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps. Limit distractions. Distractions can contribute to mental confusion. To clear your brain, try reducing distractions in your environment. Turn off notifications. Social media and phone notifications can disrupt your focus. Set your phone to Do Not Disturb when you need to concentrate. Create a clean workspace. A cluttered space can make your mind feel cluttered as well. Keep your environment tidy and organized. Set time limits. If you are working on a task, set a timer to stay focused and avoid multitasking. By minimizing distractions, you can create a space where your brain can function more efficiently. Engage in physical activity. Exercise is one of the best ways to clear your mind. Physical movement helps reduce stress, increase blood flow to the brain, and improve focus. Go for a run or walk. Cardiovascular activities like running or brisk walking can refresh your mind and body. Try yoga or stretching. Yoga and stretching help relax the body and improve mental clarity. Do strength training. Lifting weights or engaging in resistance exercises can release endorphins that boost mood and reduce stress. When you move your body, you also shift your mental energy, helping you think more clearly. Practice meditation and relaxation techniques. Meditation is a powerful tool for clearing the mind. It helps you focus on the present moment and let go of unnecessary worries. Try guided meditation. Listen to a meditation guide or use an app to help you relax. Use visualization techniques. Imagine a peaceful place, such as a beach or a forest, to calm your mind. Practice progressive muscle relaxation. Tense, and then slowly relax each muscle group in your body to release tension. Meditation and relaxation techniques can help you feel more centered and in control of your thoughts, sleep, and rest. Well, lack of sleep can make confusion worse. When we are tired, our brain struggles to process information effectively. Follow a sleep routine, go to bed, and wake up at the same time every day to regulate your sleep cycle. Avoid screens before bed. The blue light from screens can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Drink herbal tea, read a book, or listen to calming music before sleeping. When your brain is well rested, it becomes much easier to think clearly and make good decisions. Talk to someone. Sometimes, talking to someone can help clear confusion. Seek advice from a friend. A fresh perspective can provide new insights. Talk to a mentor or coach. A mentor can offer guidance based on experience. Consult a therapist. If confusion is caused by emotional stress, speaking to a therapist can be beneficial. Expressing your thoughts out loud can help you organize them and see things more clearly. Reduce overthinking. Overthinking can lead to mental exhaustion. Instead of getting stuck in an endless loop of thoughts, try setting a time limit for decisions. Give yourself a deadline to make a choice instead of overanalyzing. Focusing on what you can control. Worrying about things outside your control only increases confusion. Practicing gratitude. Focus on positive things in your life to shift your mindset. By reducing overthinking, you allow your brain to function more effectively. Engage in creative activities. Creative activities can help clear your mind by shifting your focus to something enjoyable. Draw or paint. Expressing yourself through art can be therapeutic. Listen to music. Music can help calm the mind and improve mood. Write a story or poem. Creative writing allows you to process your thoughts in a new way. Engaging in creativity can refresh your mind and help you gain new perspectives. Clearing your brain when you are confused is not always easy, but it is possible. By taking breaks, organizing your thoughts, limiting distractions, engaging in physical activity, practicing meditation, getting enough sleep, talking to others, and reducing overthinking, you can achieve mental clarity. Confusion is a natural part of life, but with the right strategies, you can overcome it and regain focus. Remember, your brain is like a muscle. It needs rest, organization, and the right environment to function at its best. Whenever you feel confused, take a step back, apply these techniques, and trust that clarity will come. Focus on the main points without getting confused. In today's fast-paced world, we are constantly bombarded with information. Whether we are reading an article, attending a meeting, studying for an exam, or making a decision, it is easy to get lost in unnecessary details. When this happens, we may feel overwhelmed and struggle to identify what truly matters. Focusing on the main points helps us save time, improve understanding, and make better decisions. In this article, we will explore practical strategies to help you stay focused on the key points without feeling confused. Understand the purpose. Before diving into any task, ask yourself, for example, if you're reading a book for a test, your goal is not to memorize every word, but to understand the core concepts. If you are in a business meeting, your goal is to capture the key takeaways that affect your work. By knowing the purpose, you can filter out unnecessary details and focus on what truly matters. Avoid information overload. Too much information can make it difficult to focus. To avoid information overload, limit your sources. Stick to reliable sources instead of reading multiple conflicting opinions. Use bullet points. Breaking information into short bullet points makes it easier to digest. Summarize in your own words. After reading or listening to something, summarize it in 1 or 2 sentences. Stay away from unnecessary details. Details can be helpful, but too many details can be distracting. To stay focused, ask, does this support the main idea? If not, skip it. Ignore irrelevant examples. Examples should help clarify the main point, not confuse you. Look for actionable insights. Focus on information that helps you make a decision or take action. For instance, when attending a presentation, don't get lost in long explanations. Instead, focus on the key messages and how they apply to you. Use note-taking techniques. Taking notes helps you focus on the main points. Here are some effective methods. The Cornell method. Divide your notes into 3 sections: key points, main notes, and a summary. Mind mapping. Create a visual diagram to connect ideas. Highlighting. Use different colors to mark important points. For example, if you're in a lecture, don't write down everything the speaker says. Instead, capture the main ideas and key supporting details. Improve your listening skills. When listening to a speaker, focus on the core message. Here's how. Listen actively. Pay attention instead of just hearing words. Avoid distractions. Put away your phone and other distractions. Look for signal words, phrases like, the main point is, to summarize, or the key takeaway, indicate important information. For instance, in a meeting, don't try to remember every word spoken. Instead, focus on the decisions made and actions required. Practice critical thinking. Critical thinking helps you separate important information from distractions. To develop this skill, ask, why does this matter? If something doesn't contribute to your goal, ignore it. Compare different perspectives. Understanding different views can help you focus on what is truly relevant. Look for evidence. Focus on facts rather than opinions. For example, when reading an article, ask yourself if the information is backed by facts or just personal opinions. Practice regularly. Like any skill, the ability to focus on main points improves with practice. To get better, read summaries. Practice extracting key points from articles and books. Analyze speeches, listen to TED Talks, and note the main ideas. Engage in discussions. Talk about what you've learned with others. For example, if you watch a documentary, summarize its main message in 1 or 2 sentences. Focusing on the main points without getting confused is a valuable skill that improves productivity, decision-making, and learning. By understanding your purpose, identifying key ideas quickly, avoiding unnecessary details, and using effective note-taking and time management techniques, you can stay focused and make better use of your time. With regular practice, these habits will become natural, helping you process information more efficiently and confidently in any situation.